Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be straightening my hair using the Avevetec hair straightener. Before we jump into the video, I want to give some shout outs to some companies that sent me a few items. So we are going to go ahead and showcase them right now, and I'll be back to show you guys how I do my hair. All right, you guys, so I received this beautiful Kim Croco 14-inch brown Teddy Blake handbag. I thought it was the most gorgeous bag on their website, and of course they have so many beautiful bags on the website. Be sure to check them out. I will leave a link down in the description. I love the style of it. I think that it is not too big. I didn't want some huge bag. And on the inside of the bag, they do give you an option to make this a long strap purse. Has a little pocket in there to store some items. It even looks like a fake crocodile. That's why I got it, because it had like this type of material on there that I really liked. So it came in this beautiful box. Like, the box was like super big, and it came inside of another bag, and then there inside it was the handbag itself, but it was wrapped up so nicely in this box. It does feel luxurious. It feels super sturdy. It feels like it's gonna last me a long time, you guys. Be sure to check out Teddy Blake, and I'm going to tell you a bit more about the company itself. Teddy Blake creates dream design. With a team of Italian designers pitched from well-known luxury brands, Teddy Blake creates handbag designs for every style choice. If you don't see your Teddy Blake yet, subscribe. They release new collections every month. Their designers work very hard to develop new, unique designs while also trying to keep the price point to affordable levels. Premium Italian leather. Enjoy the luxury feel and smell of real leather, as all Teddy Blake bags are made of luxurious leather from Italy's finest pelletteries, dyed and treated to withstand the test of time and maintain a luxurious look. Experience craftsmanship. Working in the same Italian factories as other luxurious brands and following the knowledge gathered from decades of experience in luxury leather, their laborers will turn a Teddy Blake bag into a work of art. True made in Italy. Respecting the label's history, they make sure that each Teddy Blake bag is characterized by high quality construction, attention to detail, imaginative design, shape, and durability, using the same exquisite material as luxury brands, and they never compromise on quality. Luxury for you. Impossible to democratize luxury. No, Teddy Blake made it possible by offering designer handbags with all the key characteristics of any high-end luxury houses, and removing $1 to $2,000 added to the handbag cost, just the label. With Teddy Blake, enjoy luxury at a fair price always. I also want to show you guys another item that I received from the company Mountrax, and they sent me this foot massager. Christmas time is coming up, you guys, so I wanted to make sure you guys had a few options out there. Me and my husband fight over this foot massager. Before we get into that, I wanted to tell you guys I do have a coupon code for you to get 20% off of this foot massager, and I put the link in the description box so you guys can check that out. Let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about this foot massager first. It has a touch panel. It also has a luxurious appeal, and it's great for gifts. It's like the gift that you didn't know that you needed. Like, I did not know I needed this until I got it. It automatically shuts off in 15 to 30 minutes. it. So it has low noise. It has a deep kneading shiatsu massage that will make your feet feel so good. I use it every night. It also has 9 customized massage intensities. It provides heat. It has detachable and washable foot inserts. That means if your husband's foot stinks, you can take it out and wash it, and then you can put your clean feet in there and don't have to worry about his stinky feet. I'm gonna let you guys hear what my husband's thoughts are.
Hey guys, when it comes to the Mountrax foot massager, there is no fight. I have claimed this machine. I love using this every day. I like to put the setting on heat. Also, I have the maximum setting on the kneading. I'll have the medium setting on the air compression. And I just set the timer for 30-minute cycles at a time. I wish it had a longer cycle because I love using this every day. My feet feel so much less stress after using it, and I can stand for longer without irritation the next day after using this. I truly, truly, truly recommend this machine. It is a life changer.
All right, guys, so on to the main event, which is going to be this Avevetec hair straightener comb. I received this comb about a week ago, and this is my first time using this bad boy. I have tried hair straightener combs in the past, but they did not look like this. So this is a new style. I have already straightened my hair, and I used my Rev Air to straighten my hair, and I've already applied my heat protector on there. That is a must when you are straightening or using heat on your hair. Always apply a heat protector, and I can't say that enough. I always try to get away with the most hair the machine or the straightener will allow to pass through, because I'm not trying to be doing my hair all day. I am liking those results, and they really came out better than I expected. I am just applying that to my roots again, just to make sure I have it straight. And you can see me using a brush right here, and in the rest of the video I will not be using a brush or a comb. This hair comb does it for you, but I was just making sure it got all of the knots and tangles out with the brush. And it's looking really good. I'm really liking my results right there. Hair is flowing, okay? And I use this on the setting, on the highest setting, and the highest heat setting is 400. I don't play games. If I'm here to straighten my hair, then that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna straighten my hair, and I don't have time for it to be on 300, and then I don't like the results, so I go highest heat setting. But if you have finer hair or your hair is damaged, I wouldn't say always use the highest setting, but that's what I'm doing for my hair. Let's go ahead, do the rest of my hair, and I'll be back to show you guys my results and tell you guys what I think of the actual product. so it is later on in the day. I just wrap my hair up with a satin scarf, put it in a pineapple, and go about my business. And then, do whatever I'm going to do that day. Put on my makeup. About to go out somewhere. So went ahead and started unraveling my hair. And I can already see, like, my hair already is looking pretty good, if I do say so myself. Okay. So it's looking pretty good right there. Just combing it out. Doing that same part I've been had for the last 20 years on the side, not trying to switch it up too much. Baby, when I say this hair straightener got my hair looking the bomb, I said my head looked like the bomb, okay? My hair looks so good, and it did it in I want to say I did that in 30 minutes. It didn't take me any time to straighten my hair. And the results, silky, smooth, looking real good, okay? And I do need a trim. I try to trim my hair every time I straighten my hair. And usually I'll straighten my hair I'll blow dry my hair once a month. I'll try to trim it once a month too. So I do need a trim. But yeah, I love this. This is so affordable, you guys. I'm gonna put a link in the description so you guys can check it out. And baby, it does the job. Now, if it does the job on my thick hair, I know it's gonna do the job on everybody's head. Not saying that my hair is thicker than everybody's, but I'm just saying it worked on mine. And it got mine looking like this, baby. It can get yours looking like this or better, okay? Check the description out. And like I said, it's the season of giving, so even if you don't need one, you might want to give it to somebody in your family, your friends, somebody, okay? Somebody need it. They need it. You might as well get it. It's real cheap. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you in the next one. Toodles.